Wednesday, the 7th of December. Boy, day in history, right? December 7th, 2022. All right, my friends, as we take a look at what's going on, the markets have just opened. If you're down in some of the stock indices, it would be the fifth day in a row that you're lower. I doubt it's going to stay that way very long, but, it's quite an extension. As we were down this morning and I put out my morning update, I was warning traders to be covering shorts. I don't mind telling you that. I said, you don't play for that 5-day. Number two, you're down to Bollinger Bands and key other support. Time to call it a day. That's not the same as saying to go long. It might not be worth holding short. On the energies, you made new lows for the year yesterday in some of these contracts. Can you believe that? So now the question is, does it probe the area where the Biden administration said it would start buying oil to replace it into the strategic reserves? We didn't get down to that $72 mark, or for that matter, the 70, but you're approaching those zones. Grain markets continuing to give a small rally. I wonder if wheat is in a short sale on this. I'll be looking at that hard. Take a look at bonds and notes. They continue to do one thing, fall. So they're falling in the face of all the strong economic data that we get. Something's got to give here. Either the Fed is going to keep going higher and longer as the market thinks, but what's going on here that we're seeing these constant declines? And that shows up. You see it in the mortgage market number. Take a look at the refi. Suddenly you get a drop in these rates and boom, the refi people come out of the woodwork. The contract rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage this morning went down 8 basis points to 641, and that was data released for last week, but that's what they're telling us today. When we look at third quarter revised non-farm productivity and labor costs, you went up 0.8% in the productivity. That's good. You're getting more from the same thing. And the labor cost, while it's up 2.4%, it's 0.7 less than the expectation, and it's well under the last time we saw in the prior quarter, up 3.5%. So yes, the costs are going up, but at a slower rate. That's important to note. We're going to get how the consumer's doing with credit data. I assume they're just stretching themselves out all the way. It seems to be what I'm getting out of each of these reports. Petroleum stocks come out in an hour. And Chinese exports, they fell 8.7% in November. That is more than double what the estimate was. And it gives you an idea why all these rules that they're coming out with and how they're easing, they're not blind. They realize they keep going down this road. It's a road to ruination. So as we're getting through with this for you, you're getting a nice rally. I expected this. So if you're a morning subscriber video, and we ended everything. And by the way, I finished the outside day course. So now my staff is putting it together. It takes a couple of days to get it on the website. It will then come out for sale. And for those of you smart enough to have taken advantage of our Cyber Week sale, you'll get it for free. And these courses are going to go for $120 now. So I think you'll find them well worth it. You get the outside day all the time. What do you do with it? That's the important thing. Last, I want to remind you that one of the things we'd like to show you is what we give our clients, both research and trading clients. You have access to all the research throughout the day that we're writing. And there are numerous stories throughout the day. If you like pivot points, we actually publish those. If you're a person that likes to look with, hey, what's the option strategies going on? Contango, backwardation, who's doing what in the markets? We write about it. It can be in the finance, the grain market, the financial markets, cash markets we cover. We do hedging business, so we're able to write about this for traders and give you ideas. So unlike people that are just, here's the speculation part, it's a little bit of everything, and I don't think you see that everywhere. So we'd like to give you a week or two of it for free if you haven't seen it. All you need to do to get this is go to our website under free offers or move your cursor right up under here. And as you move the cursor through that, what will happen is you'll see an icon, give it a click, sign up for this and any of the other offers we have. I'm Ira Epstein. I am so happy to be done with that course. Now I can get on to other productive things as well. You take care.